Hello guys, welcome to today's episode on our channel. Today we want to review something different, still Silvercrest company, but today we want to review the pressure pot. And then this is just an unboxing of the pressure pot, and in subsequent video we will be showing you how to use the pressure pot in the upcoming videos to come. So today we just want to unbox the pressure pot, show you different things you can accomplish with this pressure pot, and probably tell you a few or two things about it. Okay, so I'm a victim of Joshua Virtual Luxury, as you may call me. Let's go right into the boxing of this video, unboxing rather. Okay, so this is how the package came, and so we just want to head straight right into it. I'm going to unbox it. This is me opening it. So it came well packed. Okay, so we take the cork off first, and then we bring out the chief itself. So this machine, this device, what we are going to accomplish with this device, we can use it to cook rice. It will be useful for more nutritional, more tasty meal. We can use it for porridge and soup. We can use it for steaming and for tendon. We can use it for beef. Most people use this device for cooking beans because what pressure pot does is that it reduces the cooking time for you, thus saving you time and energy. It also keeps your food warm after you have finished preparation. It also has a non-stick coating inner pot, which I'm going to show you. It also cool. It has a non-stick coating inner pot here, like I said. It is energy efficient. This is 1050 watts. This is 6 liter, and then the lid on stroke off safety is also there. The pressure limit device, we have the pressure release device. I'm going to show you all that. Then the timer, the 6 liter is a 6 liter capacity device. This is strictly for African countries. 220 to 240 volt, 50 to 60 hertz, and then 1000 to 1190 watt. But specifically, this one is 1050 watts. So let us see what we have all in this device, and then in our subsequent video I am going to be showing you how you can be using this pressure pot to accomplish a whole lot of things. The reason why I bought this pressure pot is because while in the office I could just want to boil my rice and then make my pep soup, chicken pepper soup, and then it won't stress me any longer, because with the pressure pot I could just boil my rice in less than 15 minutes and then I'm ready to have my rice and pepper soup. So let us see what we have here. So I'm going to take this waterproof wrapping off. Now if this is a device you would be interested in getting, you can always contact me. My number will be somewhere around this video, then we can get you a very good one as well. We also, like, review Silvercrest blender on this channel, and very soon I'll be shooting a content that is going to expose you to the customized Silvercrest blender that are available. So I'm going to show you why that one is different from the regular Silvercrest, which I have always blender, which I've always asked you to buy. That is the 9525 model. So this other model wants to behave like more like the likes of Vitamix, more like the likes of Gucci, Mix, or NutriBullet. So it's going to behave exactly that same way. And like I said, not all Silvercrest blender are the same. This particular customized Silvercrest blender, now take note of this, is going to go for 65,000 naira. Okay, that is how much it's going to go for. For those who are willing to invest in a blender, they can always chat me up and get that customized Silvercrest blender. Believe me, it is something you invest in, you will really get the most out of your money. Okay, but if you don't believe in it, you can always buy the ones you have saturating the market, and that's fine. It's your choice. Decision is a function of choice. Okay, so let us see. I'm taking the lid off. So let's see other things we have inside this device. It was well packed. I know what this is. This is my, okay, this is personal use, okay? So it should just be here. This is also my personal use. I had asked for a replacement for my um, filter. That's my 3-in-1 breakfast maker. The filter is a little bad, so I had asked for a replacement and they sent it over to me. So I'm gonna have a replacement filter, but unfortunately it came in a little torn, so it's still manageable, still doable. And this is a Silvercrest blender motor. I'm not unpacking it on this video because that's not the essence of today's content. So these are all the utensils you need for this pressure pot. I'm going to show them to you one by one. So this looks like a spoon. Of course, you're not supposed to use stainless steel spoon for this pot because it's a non-stick pot. So you have to use the rubber spoon here, which is going to be exactly what you need for a non-stick pot. Yeah. Okay. So let's continue with what we have for today's content. So that is the spoon you're supposed to use for this pot. This is the plug for the pressure pot, and this is the metering cup. This is what you're going to use to measure the water content of this pot for you to use in cooking. Aside from that, all you have is the electric pressure cooker manual. So you have to take your time, sit down and read the manual on how to use it. It is quite very simple and easy. So this is the inner pot in here. This is the inner pot. This is how it looks. Everything came intact. So this is a 6-liter pressure pot cooker, and inside you just know that this is like electric cooker in here. So the technique about this whole thing is that when you plug this into light, it heats up very quickly, and then once you put this pot, everything get heated very pretty fast. While you put on the lid, everything is going to cook under pressure, and that is why it is called a pressure pot, which makes things be cooked very quickly. So next time you see me on this content, I am going to show you one or two things how to use this pressure pot. This is just an introduction. Like I said, it was just an unboxing of this video. And if you like this content and want to follow me up as I'm going to take us on the journey of how to use this pot to achieve so many things, this is the time for you to subscribe to this channel. This is the time for you to like this content. This is the time for you to share this content and show support, because I'm going to take you on the journey of how to use this pressure pot. And if you even have one, then go and dust it off, because in this channel I'm going to show you how useful this pressure pot is. But for you to avail yourself of all those opportunities, you need to subscribe to this channel right now. You need to turn on your post notifications so that when we bring out content, you will be the first to know. So on that, I call it a day on our unboxing video for today. So our pressure pot is ready. Is it not fine? It's fine. Really, really pretty. I'm really going to enjoy this pot, and so I will see you in subsequent video as we are going to show how to put it into maximum use. On that note, I call it a day on this content. See you another time. Bye.